Oh no. I mean, you can't do this because one, already the crown, we are calling for security at the stance because maybe I original cry, maybe police need back now. So how much more outside? Somebody, Mumu say, oh yeah, honorable dear. How can we allow you to take him away from the stadium? We will not. So honestly, we prevented them from taking him away from the stadium. So after some few minutes, yeah. I say, Omakuma told me young Kakano. And I don't know about Ignatius Baffour-Awuah at the I've already told you, say, Otimin Chempe, just 2 seats and a separate minute. It's the other class, and I catch a police say, Papa no say, why you know, according to the guys, allegedly, say why you know. If that is the case, yeah. Oh, sorry. Now, Uncle Papa no, which Pooley went not before Honorable Ignatius Baffour-Awuah held his leg and apologized to him unconditionally. He apologized to the honorable man. Oh, sorry, I went to Honorable and said, Honorable, Obano Apaucheo, yes, sir. Fache. I see you need Asante anymore, Idiachen. Another one. In the course of the game, now who say, okay, this is as we have a Hokakano, and two of our supporters, any Pooley and Concord now, because Wako Stadium, you can sense it into polling court. Now, in less than 2 minutes, Pooley any supporters in this FEMA, the ATN say, Yawa branch and Usikai. But then, something about 4 and then, let me say, hey, this is our policy. He never uttered a word. He never uttered a word.
The former minister didn't say anything when you said Pooley had been stabbed.
He didn't say anything. And that's Christopher Damenya.
Nana, Nii, what were you expecting him to say?
At least. Oh, really? Let's go. Yanko. And now, at least to utter some of his management members say, are you getting me?
Yes, I'm following you.
Yes. Or he himself can even follow us to the scene. But he didn't. So many Christopher Damenya, Nana Kotoko and some few others, Echo Baby Assembly. You do honor. Now when they are branching out to Pragiamo, because at that time not ambulance anyhow. It is Pragiano from the distance from where the stadium is, the location of the stadium is, to the nearby hospital will take about 15-20 minutes. So be at the second one. Now second I do one no. You do one the chest. I want to move for us the left hand side the beer Nakuma no one. A hot and a second a warrior. So a one you two suffer ambulance with fire branch and I saw 2 car a DHA. For you do honor, some of your branch ako inside. You were inside Napoli ewu. So that was what happened. We spent about 4 hours hospital hall, in Swatre Polyclinic. Ignatius Baffour-Awuah never showed up. Nobody showed up until we left the scene. Transferred the body from that particular polyclinic to Sunyani Government Hospital because police no am quite say family because they have to do autopsy before.
Assembly see no. And such a team ra want to NC hospital hall.
No. We spent over 4 hours. We got there before 5 p.m. We left there around 9:30, 10. He never showed up.
Nii Darko and Cresse Pooley Kokachi honorable and say honorable worry.
And I make a say whatever insults are according to Pooley FC Stadium Hono, Eddie Ma, nobody we didn't know. I cannot testify to that. All we heard was that Papa no say why here no, so they should take him away from the stadium. Which later no, the gentleman went to the honorable minister and apologized to him. That's what I can testify to.
Supporters now normally Pooley ekotna kemu asemi si no. Can they identify the perpetrators?
The guy, the one who did the thing, ran away. You know, there's this lady we've been told, say, or a journalist, or your mama, Ignatius Baffour-Awuah radio station is Swatre. Onuna, Omo Piano, according to them, Onuna the Pooley, it's a Pooley air dodge, you know, and a rasta head guy from nowhere. He wasn't from the stadium, but he came from outside the stadium and stabbed him and ran away into the bush. Someone in Swatre Stadium only said the king in a bush. So they decided to chase him, but I mean, we are home, I mean, many dear, obey and watch and look. So that was what happened. According to them, they only saw he was wearing black top, a rasta hair guy, running into the bush, and that was all.
And you are strongly convinced that and such a phone in Nipakro.
Bro. Me bow. A cofa say honorable say Asante na ye no. Asante no akobuku to be apachew. E be dan no bi a oye outsider o nim de ekoso ana onti ya na obi friend ye. E be dan no de sika ko wa Asante no. Can you tell me?
Asante Kotoko mo atinka bi se yero abafo na suma me yakoya Asante ni sa.
No, but why must you even do that? Say what for question up here say omra na money supporters in Kasa. Yes, see manima. So you call your supporters, say who to do Saturday, and then you say no. Because already they were agitating, they were trying to attack us. And now who call ya woman Kokasai? It is a what for question up here, now see ma question up here ma. Now say ya I mean giving them signal. What are you trying to do? Because you mean signal over to me as show to somebody if you want to calm the person down, anamiboa.
Aye.
And then you want signal to show that you are inciting, anamiboa.
So you want to confirm on Max TV that honorable ni incite fans no?
He didn't come. You see, after Yamanankono, said you know to Tunisano. It wasn't a sign of calming an angry supporters down. It wasn't that sign. Because I want to do something now. Now supporters are can't say and say, Pooley yo, it's your own peer. Nana, mean, you yourself. Be a good listener and a better judge.
Really? All right, trust me.
Say, Papa, no say why you no.
Papa nankasa confirm me say why you na say e atisem na mudi adwuma.
That's the message the guys brought. Say, Pooley adenya why you honorable. Ama honorable betenasi. It is a enye no kwe say Pooley na. Aka Pooley book to jo papa na ndim o pa ne che no. Aka papa no bisa say ade na why na pa me che wana anameboa. Aka obe bisa no. But he accepted the apology. He accepted the apology. I personally went to his honorable. I will ban up our fashion or say no problem be in home. Yeah, okay. So what else? What evidence again do we need?
You want the former minister of employment to be held responsible for the murder of Pooley?
Oh, he should be held responsible. He should be held responsible because Ebanisena was supposed to sell a branch and IEL. Ebanisena branch and the power who can say what dear to. Ebanisena Obia on the stadium. And now Ebanisena branch and UPA. Now we let the Oya station about attack branch and to the extent that Obia Fiache other one of the kind. It should be held responsible.
Beyond statement, Modia Babonteno, what is the next line of action from Asante Kotoko?
Like we all know, the NCC is having press conference this morning, after which the management of the club will also go to the palace to meet the owner of Asante Kotoko. From there, we'll take a decision on this matter as well as the league.
Kotoko, Akon Abrantia washirin nkwana busuafo.
Yeah, I know we communicated to the family, but as well as I said, the coffee hall there. I'm not in the known, and the next few minutes I will meet management. I will know whether Omako or not there are plans to go there. Certainly, we will go to the family, especially the pregnant wife. We'll go to them.
Wow, but I know, we are supporters leader, and you know these supporters beyond football sometimes. Now, there's a video circulating at Pooley, Kotoko University of Ghana. Every ball game we are Omni Legon cities, every boy no. One and Kofubinya confrontation, I come viral. I an interman for to say onukra open to trust him.
Another one. Let's take to yesterday's program or yesterday's incident. Polo never fought anybody at the stadium yesterday. Polo never attacked anybody at the stadium yesterday. Polo was sitting right in front of me. He never attacked anybody. So what's the justification to the video among for circulating around? What is the justification? Why are we comparing the two? Are they the same?
They are not the same. That's why I asked you personally. You know him. Is he a violent man?
He's not. He's just a passionate supporter. Paul is never a violent guy. And that is why Edu Betina honorably and humbly knelt down before the man, held his leg, and apologized to him. He's never a violent guy.
And you also largely blame it to some lack of security. Oh
yes. Oh yes. Me, I reported it to him. He told me he was going to call me back, which he didn't. And you can't tell us that police officers will come, and later there were less than even 25 police officers at the stadium. Certainly, it is lack of security because police and maybe, just maybe, police life could have been saved.
It's a very terrible morning, but in such a month, Omar Pooley out of the Ghana Premier League. Is Asante Kotoko contemplating same?
Most likely.
Most likely.
Yes.
Wow. All right. I'll leave you to go and organize your press conference, but we'll be coming there to pick it live. Samushasia. Why?
All right, bro. Okay.
I mean, shall be brave. One of those difficult mornings on radio and TV. Max FM, Max TV, bringing to you the Max Sports Park. And then there, Adani Kotoko Sem, and Pooley Sem. The program is also live on Star Times at the channel 247. Nani do.